I got a pretty good buzz going on, dude. My uncle used to own a Harlem. Until he crashed it. It's pretty fucking good. The only memorable guy I knew from Harlem. His name is Chris. Guess his last name. Fucking Topher. His name is Chris Topher. I shit you not. Chris Topher. Ah. We already did New York. First time we did pizza. Now we're doing chicken and waffles from Harlem. Let's fucking do it.
So we're gonna start just like we always start, because we're always making fried chicken, because we're all gonna die very young here at the cross country kitchen. We're gonna start with some flour. Woo! This flour is gluten free because our friends are and that's okay. You can use normal flour and it'll be not really the same, but you can tell yourself it will be so you can live a happier life. We're going to this flour, add paprika. We got garlic powder. Good amount of that. Shake that shit. Poultry seasoning, little bit of cayenne pepper. If you're not put some more, that's fine. This is chili powder. I don't even know what I'm putting in here. Onion powder, rosemary leaves. We're gonna mix all our spices into our flour. I mean, it's not really flour. It's made of like, I don't know, rice or some shit.
As with any fried chicken, you're gonna go flour, then eggs, then flour again. So right now I'm just making an egg wash. We're just beating 3 eggs into a platter here. And this will help the flour stick better to the chicken. We just got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs here. I'm gonna toss this in our flour mixture. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies coated with flour. Alright, into our egg. And then back into our flour here. Alright, shake off the excess and that is ready to fry.
We're gonna take this chicken and lower it slowly into the deep fryer. Drop it away from yourself. Unless you like burns, that's fine too. I don't judge. We're gonna take the chicken out when it looks like this or reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, right now we're making the sauce. Be careful, you can get lost in the sauce. We need about a half cup maple syrup, medium heat, and a 1/4 cup of whiskey, and then about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Now whisk it all. We're going to bring this to a low boil.
Alright now, making homemade waffles. You know, it's actually real simple, but for those of you who don't know, we got double batch now. So 4 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, nice handful of salt, nothing crazy. Cinnamon, much as you like. I like it heavy, but not everybody does. That was nice and easy. Look at that. So I'm gonna whip up the whites with a hand mixer. This is a process. It's gonna take a while. Nice. So you want to whip your whites to get those nice foamy peaks. Lovely. It's not gonna work out. It's fine. We got 4 men here anyway. It's 2. 3. Ooh, just shy, good enough. 4 cups of milk, then your vanilla extract. Technically it's 2 teaspoons, but just go for it, who cares. And I think we're good. Time to mix it up. Now you want to mix this until all of the clumps of your dry mix are out. Alright, the last step, well before cooking, is you take your lovely fluffed egg whites, dump them in there, beautiful, and you want to fold them in because you want to try and keep as many of the air bubbles solid as possible so the waffles are light and crispy. And I misjudged the size of this bowl, so we're gonna have fun. Onto our nice hot waffle iron. Beautiful. It's gonna expand, so in fact don't overfill it if you have this style of waffle iron because I've busted one doing that. And that's gonna sit on each side maybe 2 minutes. Look at that.